the phone. Answer the phone for me, please. There we go.
Hello?
Hi, Mum. I got some bad news.
What?
They call me a silly people, and do you know who it's from?
What?
It's from Skin Cancer. Can you know what she said to me?
From where?
From Skin Cancer. It's your number. It's a silly number. But can you know what she said to me?
What?
She said to me, "Hello, Caleb. I'm calling from your Skin Cancer. How you going?" Okay, talk on the line, and I just said, "What happened?" And she said, "I can't hear very well. I'll call you back another time." That's what she said to me.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's from so I know my silly people. That's from Adelaide or something.
Look, I've got to go because I'm next in line.
Okay, thanks, Mum. Okay, gotta go.
I'll be
Thanks.
home soon.
Okay, thanks, Mum.